parang palabas sa telenovela. Nagkakilala kami sa trabaho. Naging boss ko siya noon.
Stop for just a moment. Take it all into view. Fly to rise and catching my attention. Sinking or swimming, I'm still fine. I'm just along for the ride.
Is that love story?
So let it rain down, let it pour me out to the water.
頑張ってね、元気でね。幸せに。
大丈夫。
Call me out for something more.
この広い世界の中で私を見つけてくれて、出会ってくれて、選んでくれて。待って。もう。
Oh my god! Japan! Wow!
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
体に気をつけて、
はい
マークと仲良くやってください。
はい。
どんどんワンキューすぐねこれからやだねもうよちよちよちよちあごめんごめん私のせいです
Ma, I love you.
Love you anak ko sana
Tawagan kita after wedding. Thank you po. Kasi I came from poor family. Thankful ako kasi naiintindihan niya kung ano yung gusto ko pa marating. Na kahit na magkasama kami, sasabihin ko sa kanya na gusto ko makapunta sa gantong lugar na kasama ka.
I came here to the Philippines because I was president secretary in Japan, and then he wanted to establish the company in the Philippines. So I was coming here, and that time I got like 100 more resume, and then I don't know, I just found him, and then I interviewed him, and then I hired him. It's the first time I met him.
Time, I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly.
No, in that time, no. I was professional.
In-interview niya ako, siyempre nagulat ako, bata yung mag-i-interview sa akin, maganda Japanese. Siyempre, binigay ko yung best ko during interview din. Pag-uwi ko agad, may na-receive akong tawag na, oh, you're hired.
Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it must be you. And I'm feeling it'll just be you. I think we're gonna need some time. Baby, all we need is time.
Filipino priority is the family, and then second is work, right? But Japan is like work and family. He started to prepare my food and like buy something what I need. On that time, I think I was interested in him because he's always helping me and protect me.
Bye. Dada.
Nakwet.
Eki. Kumbaga, hindi ko naman siya sinadya na ito yung intention ko, pumasok sa company, ligawan ko yung boss ko, yung ganun. Unintentional, hindi yun planado. Kumbaga, it comes, around na, bigla na lang na nahulog yung loob namin sa isa't isa.
So, 最初フィリピンに来た時は、何もわからなくて、すごく毎日泣いたりとかイライラしてたんだけど、私がどんな感情になったとしても、いつも一緒にいてくれて、本当にありがとう。
Paramdam mo sa kanya, Fred, na hindi siya nagkamali, na Pilipino ang pinakasalan niya. Ang Pilipino ay mapagmahal, mabuti sa lahat ng bagay. Minami, I was telling your husband to tell you later that you were never wrong in choosing to marry a Filipino. You know why? Because Filipinos are good people. You can trust Fred not just with what you have in life, but you can trust him even with your life.
これからも多分国際結婚だし、いろいろと大変なことはあるかもしれないけど、一緒に乗り越えていこうね。はい。愛してるよ。
不思議さ選ぶのさ、さ日々日々不思議さ明らかな思いがある。不思議さ永遠だろう日々日々不思議さ選ぶんだ日々日々
Fred Mark, ano pang hinihintay mo? Slowly but surely, you may now kiss your lovely wife.